Welcome to yet another day on my cooking series. Today I'm preparing Abacha. Abacha is one of the local delicacies Igbo people have, and most times we use it to substitute for food. It's actually food on its own, I guess, but we use it for substitute for food. So first of all, I soak the Abacha in hot water in order to soften it because it's dry. I like eating the soft and the wet one. Okay, some other people might prefer to eat the strong one. Good enough. Okay, thereafter I soak the ash in water and then drain the water into a pot. This ash is what that will make the sauce for making abacha. So while you drain it into the pot, you pour oil. Oil will help to thicken the sauce a bit. If it's not getting thick enough, you add more oil to get it thick. Okay. Then I proceed to add my ingredients. Here I'm adding my local spices, the huru and the rest. I've already pounded it, so I just added salt, pepper, meat, stockfish, onions, and the rest. Then I mix together, mix together, and crayfish also. Then mix together. So afterwards, I have oba, so I add oba as well in order to spice up the abacha a bit. So after adding oba, then here comes the hero ingredient, which is the abacha itself. So you might be thinking, why is abacha looking big? Yeah, I wanted to eat alone, but then I decided to make it for everybody. So I have to add more into the hot water. Okay. So here mix I'm trying to mix everything together. After mixing it, I put it on fire to heat up a little bit. Let it be a bit hot. I wouldn't want to eat it while it's cold. I want it warm. So that's why I have to heat it up. Abacha is a very nice food. Some people that are not of this tribe, they always need to eat it. They always want to, if you can prepare very well, they always want you to help them to prepare. And if you follow this recipe, you can also actually prepare it yourself. You don't need anybody to help you out. I added more onions because I like onions in my abacha. So that's why I added extra onions. If you have, some people normally add garden egg, both the seed and the leaf. So if you have that, you can add that also. Or otazi, yes. Any other leaf. Some people add any kind of leaf they want. But yeah, I didn't add that. I just wanted a quick meal. Okay. I'm trying to dish out for myself, and it was so tasty, so delicious. Would you be trying this? Will you try it on your own? Do well to do so, and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Bye.